it's time to set up your lighting kit. I've already unboxed the lighting kit, and it comes with 2 large tripods for mounting lighting, 1 small tripod, 3 light bulbs, and again these are the 45 watt light bulbs for studio lighting. We have 3 boxes that include power sources for the lights. We also have 2 umbrellas that when you expand, they look like this. And now we're gonna put them together. So when you set up your lighting stand, you're going to start by extending the legs by pulling them out. You're gonna loosen this knob right here and expand the legs to their full capacity and re-lock the stand. Set it on the ground. Then you're gonna unlock this top knob and extend this to its full capacity and re-lock it. This will go very high, so you can open the next one, extend and lock it, but for our purposes, I'm gonna leave it low so you can see what I'm looking at. After you have your stand set up, you're going to get your power source. This is your lighting outlet. On this, there's a hole with this little mechanism that as you twist this knob, it will fill in the hole and lock this in place. So I'm gonna open this up so the bolt isn't in there, and you're gonna put this on top like this. Then you're gonna re-tighten this so it's secure, and then you can turn this knob here and adjust the direction you want this to go. And then we're gonna grab one of our 45 watt bulbs. We're just gonna put it in just like we would a regular light bulb. The next step is we're gonna get an umbrella. In order to do this, in order to open it up, we're going to depress this little button in here, that one right there, just like you would a regular umbrella. Once it's expanded, there's a little hole below this light bulb right here, and it has a similar nut, so we have to pull this nut back so that we can put the umbrella rod in there, and then we're going to tighten this so it locks that rod in there. I'm just gonna plug it in really quick. And in order to turn this on, the power switch is right here. Oops. And again, you can adjust this and tighten it. That's how you set up your 3 lighting stands within your lighting kit. 2 have the umbrellas and are large. The other one is small, and the purpose is to illuminate your subject. And there's some lighting practices and film that you can apply as you're thinking about where to put your stands. But whenever you're recording video, you want to make sure these are far enough off the camera that you can't see the structure while you're recording. So that's how you set up your lighting kit.